Hey, welcome back. So we're going to talk about course structure now. So we're going to start with what is HomeKit and dig a little bit into that, a little bit of theory background, talk about why personally I've looking at HomeKit, security, things like that. Then we're going to talk about setting up your HomeKit. So this is going to include getting just HomeKit set up in your iPad, setting up your iPhone, Apple Watch, all those kinds of things. These videos might come a little bit later, depending on what you guys want to see or not. So please send me feedback on that. We're going to then talk about planning your smart home. So this is definitely something that we're going to have to do to make sure that you can understand the implications of naming conventions, group zones, all those kinds of things, rooms. We'll talk about accessories. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about accessories and just kind of what are the things that you can buy, what are the products you can buy right now as of 2017. And this is going to be an ongoing section as I continue to explore Apple HomeKit and add to my own smart home. We're going to talk about HomeKit orchestration. So this is the scenes. This is the magic. This is where how do you get all this stuff to work the way you want it to work and make your life a little bit easier. So I'm going to talk about some different orchestrations and scenes that I've got set up and talk about some of the ways that it's made my life a little bit easier. After that, we're going to go into some extras, and the extras, again, send me feedback. Let me know what you want, and I will do my best to make sure that you got your money's worth from this course.